Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your HP ProBook. We're looking at the OWC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM memory module, specifically model PC4-25600CL22, operating at 1.2V with a 260-pin configuration. This RAM is designed to be compatible with a range of HP ProBook models, including the 630G8, 635G8, 640G8, and 650G8. For those unfamiliar, RAM, or random access memory, is crucial for your laptop's performance. It directly impacts how smoothly you can run applications, multitask, and handle demanding workloads. If you've noticed your ProBook slowing down, struggling with multiple browser tabs, or taking a while to load programs, a RAM upgrade might be the perfect solution. OWC, or Otherworld Computing, has a solid reputation for producing high-quality memory upgrades, and this 32GB DDR4 kit seems to follow suit. The 3200MHz speed means it can transfer data quickly, and the CL22 latency indicates the delay in accessing that data. While a lower CL number is generally better, CL22 is perfectly acceptable for most users, especially when paired with the 3200MHz speed. The fact that it is SODIMM, small outline dual inline memory module, is important because that's the type of RAM used in laptops. The 260-pin configuration is standard for DDR4 SODIMMs, so no surprises there. The 1.2V operating voltage is also standard and helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check, which is always a plus in a laptop. One of the key selling points here is the compatibility with those specific HP ProBook models. The 630G8, 635G8, 640G8, and 650G8. Before purchasing any RAM, it's absolutely crucial to verify compatibility with your specific laptop model. OWC has made it easy by explicitly stating these models. The 32GB capacity is a significant upgrade for most users. If you're currently running with 8GB or even 16GB of RAM, doubling or quadrupling that amount can make a world of difference. This is especially true if you're a power user who runs multiple applications simultaneously, works with large files, or does any kind of video editing or graphic design. The non-ECC designation means that this RAM doesn't have error correction capabilities. ECC RAM is typically used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For everyday laptop use, non-ECC RAM is perfectly fine. Installing RAM is generally a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual or watch a tutorial video before you begin. Make sure to disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery before opening up your laptop. Also, be careful to avoid static electricity, which can damage the RAM. Overall, the OWC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM memory module appears to be a solid upgrade option for compatible HP ProBook models. The increased capacity and speed can significantly improve your laptop's performance, making it more responsive and capable of handling demanding tasks. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific model before purchasing, and take your time during the installation process. If you're looking to extend the life of your HP ProBook, this RAM upgrade is a fantastic option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.